Alright guys, here we are for update number 1 for Ruddyman Grooming Company. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. I think there's a little icon logo right there. You can click on that and it will allow you to subscribe. Don't forget to click those bell notifications. Now, we are here for update number 1 for Ruddyman and Year of the Beard. So Ruddyman, that's our company for the month of August, and we're 1 week in. I'm telling you, this entire year is flying by. So yeah, if you missed that unboxing video, I'll put a card up top. You can check out the unboxing and what products we're going to be going over for this whole month. And today, excuse the clouds, they're coming and going, but today we're going to be talking about River Runner. This is part of the Sawyer series. It's 3 different scent profiles in the Sawyer series, and what we have in River Runner is oil and balm. So let's talk about the oil first. Give it a shake. Wow, after we shake that up, we're going to talk about scent profile. Scent profile on River Runner: redwood, cedarwood, and aquatic musk. All right, so that cool logo on there, the elk or moose with a beard, flannel shirt. So the Sawyer series is a series that Jimmy is doing with Ruddyman, where it's taking lumberjack, mixing it with cologne style gentleman scents and bringing them together. And so yeah, so that's what we're going to talk about today. So this give it another good shake. And to me, it reminds me of a cologne, but I cannot pinpoint which one it is. But it just has that fresh, clean, crisp scent. I love this. I love this oil. So it's a little bit of a yellow tint to it, and it is a lightweight oil. Feels amazing, amazing in beard. All right, so the ingredients on River Runner: fractionated coconut oil, golden jojoba oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, fragrance, and essential oils. Really good carrier blend. Felt really good in beard, and it's just a really good lighter weight oil. Feels really good. So now let's talk about the balm. So the same logo on there, and we flip it around. So we got that. So now ingredients on the balm: beeswax, shea butter, jojoba, and grapeseed oils, fragrance and essential oils. Get this opened up, and this is more of a whiter color, not so, a little bit of an off-white color. And this is one of those conditioning style balms. It is lightweight, it's not a heavy hold, and it breaks down super quick. Not grainy, none of that. It feels amazing. It feels amazing in beard, in hand, everything. And smells just like the oil. So it has that good, crisp cologne scent. Smells amazing. So I mixed this up over the course of the week. I did some just oil. I did some where I mixed the oil and the balm in my hand. And then I did some where I did just kind of balm on the outside, balm on the inside, everything. I just mixed it all up, different variations, and it worked out very well. My beard has been super soft this week. And scent duration was not super long. It wasn't as long as I thought it would be with these scent profiles. I just thought that this scent would have lasted a touch longer. Now, it lasted most of the day, but when I say that, I'll put a little disclaimer with it. Most of the day meant later on in the day I could get just hints of it. I couldn't get a good strong scent of it like I could 2 hours after I put it in. So it didn't last all day, but you could still get kind of hints of it. There were a couple days when I got home from work, I went ahead and threw a little bit more oil in just to rejuvenate that scent so I could get it a little bit longer. So really good products, really like River Runner and part of the Sawyer series. It did really good in my beard, like I said. And yeah, that's all we got for today. These are really good. Oh, we didn't talk about price. Let me find my sheet here. So prices on River Runner: oil $18, balm $20. They're on sale right now. That's the sale prices. Or you can get a combo, this particular combo, for $35. Now, I'll drop links to Ruddyman website in the description, and you can get over and check that out. When you click on shop, click on Sawyer series, and it'll show you all 3 of the different products for Sawyer series. We're actually going over all 3 scent profiles this month, so you can get over and check that out. All right, guys, if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. If you've tried anything from the Sawyer series, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinions on them. And yeah, stay tuned for next week. We're going to be doing update number 2. So until next time, guys, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.